Yeah. Hey, hey. Tell the word, put him for show. Tell the word, put him for show. Tell the hoes, put him for show. Tell these hoes, put him for show. Tell the word, put him for show. Tell the word, put him for show. Tell these hoes, put him for show. Tell these hoes, put him for show. I'm a thousand nigga from the village, nigga. I can never lie. Ricky said it, nigga. We don't die with your mouth.
Same that. We taste?
Yeah. And then you'll tell me the taste. How does it taste? I feel like my expectations are not just disappointing. And just the soup part. Okay. I like the soup.
I think this is nice.
No? Let me try this.
And because it's a bit cold outside, I think the meal is, yeah.
Okay. I love the chicken too.
It's nice.
Okay. Question that's food related. Guys, I hope you might get right. If the sound is fucked up, I get none. If you just travel for food, where would you go first? So, no, different time.
Different country. Yeah. I only see
It happens as if some opponent will go by and see, I got some maybe.
maybe. I know Kosa food. Tasted it. I know. I can never. Yeah.
Oh my God.
Have you seen those okra? No.
But it tastes good, yes. Like, yeah.
I've never tasted Nigerian. This one is an Asian food.
This one is racist.
I'm not. I'm not like
Even with the Asian food, she said,
no, this
she's
is
like,
like,
"Look at mama." I'm joking, but yeah, Nigerian food is pretty nice.
but they don't look nice.
Yeah. And it smells bad. Sorry, but yeah, it smells bad.
Why does it mess
And I think it's because Buffalo tomatoes means like so if tomatoes enter the colors being at so the vanilla or something. Yeah. So what's the worst and then what's the best food you bought for lunch? It's kind of the worst.
that I brought?
Yeah, like something you say that I recommend to you. Or even what it's fine, but something you had for lunch.
Something that I brought from my home.
Reasons everywhere, even if it's, but I won't take you to something like something. It has to be something else.
Movies and US. Yeah. I think I want to understand the potato chips there. That was bad. That was very bad. It was horrible. I didn't really have money. I remember it would change, so I had to eat it. And then,
Okay. And I think my worst thing that I bought for lunch, I'm very unusual. Sometimes beans guys, very unusual. But I used, there's different beans. One is Zingati, Zomi, I don't know, but it's super straight from the garden. So Zomi, the guys. So, yeah, my meal was dry. The best. Pizza? Yeah. Is this one a versatile? Yeah, we should have that. With sugar, we could get that.
I've had it before.
Really? How was it?
You know, Listen, I choose what I eat.
Meaning the pick.
I am.
Right, for the body.
For my body,
Guys, we have to see our body before she leaves.
yes. For my body, yes. I don't eat anything like I don't just eat. I choose what I eat. And because I have a sensitive stomach, so I have to choose what I eat.
I could never be near this name of my life.
Why? Why can't the sister never get out? Why? Why is that the case?
Oh man, I guess guys, it's bad.
And even on
yeah. So let me ask you another question. Oh, how does the food taste? Yeah. Especially with how you mentioned you already knew you were from a country.
Yeah.
So how does it taste compared to what you expected?
It tastes very nice.
1 to 10?
9.
I don't know the name of this restaurant.
It's kiosk.
Kiosk.
Kiosk. Asian restaurant.
Kiosk. Because even for me, I feel like it's a 9. I'm a foodie, by the way, so
It's a 9.
either way,
I
it's gonna be
never
9.
imagined it like to be this nice. Like I can relate to this movie. Even if it's not like what African restaurant.
Yeah.
But I can relate.
It's very nice. And it has a lot of things. I feel like, guys, I hate eating, A1, maybe let's say it's just a burger.
Yeah.
So, okay, damn, we even forgot about the questions. Okay, guys, sorry. Moving on to the next question. Okay, yeah, this is interesting. What's a weird food combo that you tried that you like?
Oh no. What is
Thing
another
is,
one?
I don't think there's another one. Thing is,
Let's ask her.
okay. Yeah, guys, I don't know how to do that, but people get ready shit. Really like, oh, sorry. I guess I just shout your name.
Sorry. Can I call? Oh,
Yeah, okay. What will you do? Okay, we're sitting in a weird food.
that I've tried.
Yeah. Like,
I've tried. What's weird? What's weird?
for example, now, HM, ngiyakwazi ukufaka kusona.
Hey,
It's weird, I think it's weird, I know, but it's because, I don't know, when you taste it, Jay, can you tell that? When I was away.
No, I'm trying to think. What. Yeah, I don't know.
Hey, next question. We go on because of who we get, guys.
I want.
What's one thing that you want me to remember about you after today? Probably something I didn't know before today.
About it.
Yeah, something I should remember. Maybe flashbacks now. Something I should remember.
What you need to remember about me is that.
Hey, that was a serious.
No.
Hey.
No. I did too when I look strict. I'm not strict. Yeah. Like you should remember that I'm such a brave person. Someone to get along with.
Yeah.
Someone to keep in a position. Yeah. Like a nice person. You can tell people that like that. There's many people like electricity. They don't get the point that I don't just talk to anyone or I get to know them.
Yeah?
Hello?
I understand.
Yeah, I rate the environment. I can't just go to, hey, I rate the room first, and then
you do something.
yeah. So you need to what you need to
Remember.
yeah. That I'm a nice person.
Okay. Nice person. This is the red flag when that is harmless. For example, I think my red flag of harmless is that I like I can be very like we could chat daily, be very bubbly, and then switch is snatch it or not because I don't like you anymore, I'm not thinking about you, but solely because I tend to get focused around if it's just watching things, nothing serious, even if I'm recording or whatever. But now you know when you're in your own space, exactly any messages that more, you could respond to them. Yeah. I think it's a toxic trait sometimes. As harmless because if we're in a relationship and you know that I'm that kind of person, openly because family was to call each other and once we talk about so was still talking not back the whole night.
In other words, sometimes.
I wouldn't say intimate, it's just sometimes I'm just not because I'm called out, but I'm just doing my things. I'm just living life. Yeah.
Reflex,
No, I'm not as
I'm such a
funny,
jolly.
yes.
No, I'm such a jolly.
No, I won't because you're like.
I feel like now September take a bit.
Yeah. Sorry for the mukbang without mukbang.
But I found otherwise
it's too much. It's too much. I think I was just way too overhyped for it. So go take lead and about that first part.
Yeah. But it's nice.
Yeah. Speaking about Aban versus Zini and your bubbliness and opponent and your straight. So okay, what do people at work or what do you think people at work at your work, or still even mine, would say if they saw this?
They know me, I'm social.
Yeah.
So they won't be surprised.
But what would they think? Hey, another one.
Like you think they will think negative. When I'm working. What? Yeah, they will see something obviously. Like, oh, when I'm fine and then all that. But they know about the socials. They've seen me on big TV. You see, so. What does the TV star?
I want you to tell me more about this weekend.
But the TV is true.
That's cool. I think for this segment, guys, for the last segment, we've done 2 segments already, a food segment, and then I think we'll get closer to the camera just so we have different videos. So we'll ask different questions again, and then we'll
Okay.
cool.
It is cool.